How to make your allowance last longer. Learn how to manage your allowance so you can set aside some money for special goals like college funds or a computer. You will need discipline, a journal, and money. Optional, envelopes. Step 1. Set goals for the short term and the long term. A short-term goal may be something less expensive, while a long-term goal may cost more. Step 2. Figure out how much of your allowance you want to save and how much you want to spend. Put aside a percentage for your long-term goals. Take 2 envelopes, write spend on one and save on the other, and use them for motivation. Step 3. Ask for small bills so you can easily separate what you want to save from what you intend to spend. Step 4. Make a list of everything you buy. If you are not saving as much as you'd like, refer to your journal for clues as to why. Step 5. Avoid buying a lot of small things which add up surprisingly quickly and will eat up your allowance before you know it. Step 6. Don't worry about what your friends are doing with their allowances. Stick to your goals. Did you know? As of 2006, it cost the US government about 1.23 cents to print a penny.